Good morning, Wildcats. Mr. Martin with today's announcements. It's a beautiful but very chilly Monday morning here. So we have some plans for May 27th, 28th, and 29th. That's the time that we're going to do locker clean out and device turn in. We'll clean out your locker for you. You just bring us your device, your modem, your hotspot, your library books, textbooks, band instruments, any school items. Bring them on these days. And we will have for you your locker contents, your PE contents, etc. Maybe there's some art projects. We'll make sure you even get your yearbook during this time. Now, when you come, let's make sure you bring your items back clean and in good order. You can take a Clorox wipe and wipe down the cord from your device charger. You could take your bag and even throw it in the washing machine and wash it on gentle cycle. Your modem, your hotspot, your library books, bring them back in good order. Clean your music instrument, the music case also. Bring your stuff back in good shape. That's for your safety as well as for ours. Now, we are going to have to spread out when you come to school on these days. We're going to need to socially distance. We're going to ask that you wear masks and stay spread out. And this is one of the ways we're going to keep people spread out. We're going to start on the afternoon of May 27th with the last part of the alphabet. And as you can see, we go on 1 hour increments, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4 on that first day. And we're only working with part of the alphabet. That's alpha by last name. Wildcats, check out the other 2 dates. That's the rest of the alphabet. You can see we go all day long on the 28th and 29th with an hour off for lunch from 12 to 1 p.m. We realize you can't all come during those times, but if we try to come during these times as much as possible, we'll make sure we're socially distanced. You stay well, we all stay safe. Some words of wisdom, Project Wisdom here, a quote from Dr. An Wang. He was a computer scientist, very successful, grew up during a very tough time in China. In fact, he had what would be regarded as a very tough childhood. But here's what he said about building confidence and growing up during this time. Dr. Wang said, "Confidence is sometimes rooted in the unpleasant, harsh aspects of life and not in warmth and safety. It would be wonderful if we could experience nothing but warmth and safety during our childhood." Wildcats, that's not always possible, is it? Sometimes that first arrow really gets us, but the second arrow, how we respond, is what's important. And Dr. Wang is saying, add value, take tough times, work hard, persevere, you will come out ahead. If you want to learn more about Dr. Wang, his autobiography called Lessons, look that up, take a read. Speaking of reading, today's announcements are brought to you by your English, language arts, writing, and reading teachers. Here's a photo of them. Thank you, teachers. Their favorite dinosaur, you know what their favorite dinosaur is? It's the Thesaurus. Have a great Monday, everyone.